Hey you guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today's wig is from Lumiere. It is their Wear and Go Glueless Wavy Bob 13x4 lace front glueless human hair wig. Just so you guys know, this wig also does come in a 4x4 closure. That way if you do just want to throw it on and leave your house, you can. But I have it in a 13x4. However, I would still be doing it in a glueless install. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch. Alright, so as always, I'm just giving you guys a cute unboxing, and Lumiere also sent like these clip-ins, like these color clip-ins. That was very original. I've never seen that before. So anyways, this is their Wear and Go Glueless Wavy Bob 13x4 lace front glueless human hair wig. Remember, this wig does come in a 4x4 closure, but I have the 13x4. I also have it in 14 inches, and I believe I have it in 180% density, but I will have all the information put at the top of the description box for you guys so that you see exactly what I have. But this wig does come pre-plucked, and it also comes with the adjustable elastic band for more of a proper fitting. That way you can have a glueless install. So as usual, I'm just going to fit the wig to my head, also use the combs that's inside the wig as well for a more proper fitting, and I do have the elastic band set at the tightest that it can go so I can make sure my wig is nice and secure. So after I finish securing the wig to my head, I go in with my wax stick just to get rid of any flyaways, and then I also cut around the ears for the sideburns. So now that the wig is fitting pretty good, I'm going to go in with my eBay melting spray to secure the lace down. Now I went in with one layer of the melting spray, and then I went in with one layer of the adhesive spray. I just did one of each just because I didn't want the spray to leave any type of residue or anything like that, because this lace is pretty thin, which is a good thing. That means it's going to melt very easily, but I didn't want to get any excess residue on the lace or on my skin as well. So I just went in with one layer each, and then I put the lace down to really secure it in place, and I added more spray wherever I needed it. So now that the wig is in place, I'm going to go ahead and cut off all that additional lace that I do not need. Now, lucky me, I did put spray in areas where I need to cut off lace, so that's okay. All you have to do is lift it up just a little bit. But oh, right now I'm actually using my wax stick and my hot comb just to secure the wig back and just, you know, really make it look flat at the top or whatever, and to also make sure I don't cut off any hair as well. We don't want to do that. But after that, that's when I go ahead and I cut off any additional lace that I do not need, and I use my scissors, but I mostly use my razor so that I could get that edgy look. You don't want to cut your lace straight across because it's really going to be noticeable. So now that all that lace is off, and because I had to lift up some of the lace, it did leave a little bit of residue, so I'm just using a washcloth that I do not use for my body, by the way. This is just a regular washcloth, and I'm using some alcohol just to get rid of any residue that is on my forehead. So now I'm actually taking my even melting spray one more time, and I'm just dabbing it on any areas that may be lifting, and then I'm going to secure it with the elastic band one more time. Alright, so the lace is secured, and I know it looks pretty white right now. That's because this is a HD transparent lace. So all you have to do is use some makeup to cover up any of the lace that is showing. So I went ahead and used my Ruby Kisses foundation to go ahead and do that, and I also gave you guys a close-up as well. And I just used that foundation wherever the lace was showing. And I also did my sideburns off camera too. I don't know if you guys realized that, but yeah. Alright, so now it is time to style. Whenever it comes to bob wigs, I just always feel like a deep side part looks best. I never like to do a middle part unless I'm straightening it, but I didn't want to straighten it this time because this is a wavy bob wig, so I really wanted to show off how well it curls, just like how it came in the box. So I went ahead and curled it, but before I did that, I used my wax stick and my hot comb just to really secure the hair in place as far as the side part, and to also make sure that the top of the wig is laying flat. But now that we're styling the hair, I do just want to give you guys a little bit more information. So I did mention that this is a 13x4 lace front. The lace is an HD transparent lace. It does come pre-plucked for you, by the way. It can be curled, straightened, crimped, dyed, whichever you want it. And you can also apply this wig glueless, even though it is a 13x4, just like you saw me do. Or if you decide to get the closure, they do have a 4x4 option. That way you can literally apply it glueless with the elastic band that they have already provided for you on the wig. Now, as far as the quality of the hair in itself, the quality was absolutely beautiful. I love the natural black color, and I felt like the hair shined on its own. I did not have to add any additional product, and I also felt like it held the curl very, very well. Okay, so I curled one side off camera, and as you guys can see, it's giving pretty bouncy. I did not add any holding spray whatsoever, by the way, so the curls that you guys see is exactly how it was done. So I did not do anything extra to the hair whatsoever. So I'm going to show you guys piece by piece. We're going to speed it up just a little bit, but I do hold the curling iron for at least 10 seconds before I let it go. And when I do let it go, I kind of twirl the curling iron just a little bit, just to really give me those barrel curls that I wanted. Alright, so I went ahead and changed, and now it is time to comb these curls out. So I used a wide tooth comb, and I gently combed out the curls. I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want the ends to get frizzy or anything like that. But as you guys can see, even with me combing out, the curls held up pretty well, and I really love the way that it came out. I think this is really cute, by the way, and I feel like it's definitely giving me a mature look, but it looks fire. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. I want to give a big shout out to Lumierehair for sending me this wig and sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested, I will have all the information listed at the very top of the description box for you guys. Go ahead and get this cute curly bob glueless wig. It's definitely worth it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.